Hello and welcome back to our channel. आज का टॉपिक as you see on top of the board, this is the topic 12 tips to speak English fluently. Very easy and जब ये 12 points cover हो जाएंगे you will know what exactly I'm talking about. I'll quickly cover these topics and I'll explain in short so that you understand what the video is all about. Number one, कौन से वो 12 tips हैं जिनको follow करके your English will definitely improve and we are talking about spoken English. Number one, accept imperfections. Nobody is perfect. Even the Europeans or the Americans, they are not perfect in everything that they do, including English. They also make mistakes. So if you make a mistake while you are talking to someone in English, accept your imperfection or your mistake, apologize, correct yourself and proceed. There's no need to feel little about yourself because nobody is perfect. So accept it and move forward. Number two, practice several times a day. This simply means that if you are, for example, uh, concentrating on improving your English, तो several times a day उसे practice करना पड़ेगा because the more you practice, the better you become. So practice on every topic, and that is going to immensely improve your English. Number three, ask questions. Very important thing. Just two words, but very important. Ask questions. अगर कोई बात समझ में नहीं आ रही है, if you are talking to someone and you are not able to grab it, or if there's something new that you listen and you are unable to understand it, ask about it. Ask as many questions as you can. That will only and only improve you. Number four, use the internet. This is a very easy way. Internet is available to everyone today. Internet का complete use करना चाहिए. Now I'm not talking about watching unnecessary videos or playing games on the internet. That has nothing to do with English. How you can use it is you can watch news. That is a very good way of improving your English. Watch news in English. We're talking about English news. You will learn new words. Your vocabulary will get better. And similarly, watch videos, English videos. Try to understand how the speaker in the video is speaking. Try to emulate that speaker. Try to speak about anything the way that person is speaking if you like the video. Number three, movies. Now, this is one way how I improved my English. What happens most of the times is we are very good in grammar, but we do not have the confidence to speak clearly in English. So what helps you there is if you watch English or Hollywood movies, uh, there's one suggestion. If you watch a Hollywood movie, sometimes there are subtitles at the bottom of the screen. Do not look at the subtitles. Try to understand English without reading the subtitles. Refrain yourself at looking down. Just look at the movie, try to grab it without looking at the subtitles. That will improve your English. Number five, take notes. Now, taking notes means if suppose you're watching a video or a movie or news, and if you learn a new word or if you come across a new word, if you listen to a new word, take a note of that word, and in your spare time, take out a dictionary. That's a very good way. Or use the internet to understand or find out the meaning of that word. So take notes and later on do some research on it. Number six, see yourself as an English speaker. What this means is, suppose आप एक English class में जा रहे हैं and if you are trying to learn English by attending a class, never ever in your mind, or if anybody asks you what are you doing these days, don't tell them that I am an English student. Don't use this word. Always tell them that I am an English speaker. So that will improve your confidence. Tell people that you are a speaker in English, not a student. Number seven, think in English. This is very important. कोई भी चीज़ जो हमारे दिमाग में आती है, even if it's in your native language, for example, हमारी native language is हिंदी. अगर कोई भी चीज़ हमारे दिमाग में आती है या हम किसी बारे में सोचते हैं, try to translate that in your mind in English. So that means start thinking in English. If you start thinking in English, you will start speaking in English. Number eight, write reviews. This is a very important thing. For example, you see a product on Amazon. Just open up your phone device and start writing a review on it. How it helps you is you write a review and there are certain replies coming on your review. Replies में क्या होता है कि if somebody likes your review, they appreciate you. If there's something wrong in your review, they will come up with a complaint which tells you आप कहाँ पे सही थे और कहाँ पे गलत थे, and that is going to immensely improve your English. Number 9, try tongue twisters. Tongue twisters is a very good way of improving your spoken English. For example, the use of word sh. The pronunciation of this word is sh. So if you want to improve this word in your vocabulary, or if you want to improve the way you speak this small sh sound, there's a very common tongue twister which is she sells seashells on the seashore. See, I am also getting interrupted when I'm trying to do this. I'm not fluent on it. So practice tongue twisters, and that's going to improve your English sounds. Number 10, use body language. Body language is very important. Just don't fold your arms like this and stand straight and talk to someone. You will sound boring. You will appear unappealing, and the person listening to you or talking to you will not pay any attention to you. Trust me. For example, if you say to someone that I will take care of it, standing still as I'm doing right now, the impact will not be much. But if you raise a hand, if you tell someone, I will do it, this is the usage of body language. You're using your hand and you're saying, I will do it. That sends across a feeling of assurance. So use body language. Number 11, focus on fluency. What this means is, I'll give you a small example. Sometimes as we are Indians, हम बहुत fluently हर word को नहीं बोल पाते because हमारे दिमाग में वो word spontaneously नहीं आ पाता कई बार. So to maintain fluency in your English, sometimes, for example, if you want to ask somebody for a pencil and if you're not getting this word pencil in your mind, use this body language which says, I need this. If you do this, I need this, the person listening to you will prompt the answer, or he will say, do you need a pen or do you need a pencil? That means message was sent across, fluency was maintained. आपने एक इशारा ही कर दिया और आपका conversation uninterrupted चलता रहा. Number 12, do not give up. This is the most important point. This is why I have put it in the last place, because most of the times कोई भी project हो, कोई भी underdoing जो हम कर रहे हैं, हम उसमें give up कर देते हैं if you do not get immediate results. For example, this is a new channel. If I give up right now, if I say I'm not getting more reviews and I give up on it, I will never be able to know what was in the future for me related to this channel. So do not give up on anything. Everything that you start, make sure you finish that thing. So never give up. I'm stepping aside for you quickly. So take a screenshot of this board. These are 12 very important points. If you keep these in mind, nobody in the world can stop you from speaking in English fluently. I hope you learned something. Next video coming up soon. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and thank you so much for watching.